The supplies you'll need for this necklace is crochet thread number 10, a pair of scissors, a soft bead needle, and a hard needle. Make sure it has a big, I used 20 beads, 2 big beads, and 2 pendants, and a lobster. I got these beads from Amazon. I will link everything I'm using in the description box below. Right now, for some reason, I have a hungry caterpillar vibe. Video, I am using 20 regular beads, and you're gonna wanna have 2 bigger beads on the ends of each side. So I'm going to go ahead and place those there. And like I said, I'm going to be using 20 beads, and the strawberry is going to serve as my pendant. It's helpful if you have a bead board or something to keep your beads steady in, but if you don't, it's absolutely no big deal. And I am using a small crochet hook. The size is 1.50 millimeters. I will say that size is hard to work with. You can go up a size or two. I have seen others do that. I will list links in the description box below of the different sizes as well as the size I'm using. So let's get started on our necklace. You will need a bead needle, and just to let you know, there are soft bead needles and there are hard bead needles. So to string your beads, you're just going to want a bead needle that is going to go through your beads and yarn, so the eye of the needle needs to be big enough to do that. You're also going to need a hard needle for the end to sew your loose ends in. I find it almost impossible to do that with a soft needle. Now we're going to take our crochet thread, and we've already put the bead needle on it, so we're going to start putting our needles, putting our beads onto the crochet thread. So depending on what hand you are going to want the lobster claw on the right hand side if you are right-handed. Now, of course, if you're left-handed, you'll want the lobster claw to go on last. So in this case, I am putting on my lobster claw. So I'm going to put the lobster claw first. And this is for someone left-handed. And I'm just going to go through here, and I've already placed my beads, like I said, in the order which I want to place them on the necklace. I have 20 beads, and I'm going to be separating them into 10. The strawberry will be in the middle. So I won't show you all 20 of what I'm doing here, but I just want to give you an idea that I'm placing the beads onto the bead needle, and then I'm going to move them down. I find it helpful to put more than one bead on at a time, as it does move fairly slow if you don't. Either way is fine. Start off by doing a slip knot. This is how I do my slip knot. I wrap the yarn around my fingers and then pull up the loop, and then I place my crochet hook in that loop and tighten. So we're going to start crocheting, and then we're going to crochet one, and then we're going to start with the first bead. And you're just going to ease one of these beads down at a time. After the first bead is on, the first large bead, I'm going to chain 25. Now it's time to add my strawberry, which is the pendant for the middle. So I'm going to chain a little bit more. Instead of 6, I'm going to do 7. And then I'm just going to pull it down. So this is my strawberry, and it's going to be a little bit tight, but just hold onto it as best you can and yarn over. So after each bead, we are chaining 5 except for the 2 end beads. And then in between the strawberry we're chaining 7 as to let the strawberry hang down a little bit. Now you don't have to do that. So we're going to crochet and chain until we get the rest of our beads on. So our beads are on. Now it's time to sew in the loose end. So this is where you'll need your hard bead needle, and you just go around the big bead a few times and in those 25 chains, and once you do that, just give it a clip. This is how you attach your lobster claw to the opposite side of your necklace. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.